plays vital role in our life, and it is a good source of information. And the second thing, it is a main source of unemployment for many families. And the other thing, we become habituate of reading and getting knowledge at that kind of feeling. So it's good for the mental health also. After that, I can take the example that the newspaper is renewable. So we can use it again and again. After that, a newspaper can be used as so many things. Like we can use it like a bag also, to carry something also. And newspaper comes daily. That is the main source of, it is helping our GDP also. That's all.
Good morning, first of all. Today our daily topic is which is better, newspaper and television. I am in favor of television. According to my view, television is good because with the help of television, your reading is also increasing day by day, and blindness people also can take information all over the world, and uneducated people also can take information by the help of television. But what about those people uneducated, those people blind, and then how can they take information by the help of newspaper?
Okay, first of all, I am telling that blind people can also hear the news by the help of television. It's good. But people can be blind by the help of television. This is also true. Many of the students and the people are having glasses in their eyes because of the television. So it is happening in everywhere. After that, I would like to say that the people who is not educated, they can sit on any shop and they are having some discussion related to the news. And they can read. And slowly and gradually, if they start reading however they want, then literacy rate will also grow. That will help in the education also. And the other thing, that what about those child who was selling the newspaper? Like I would like to take the example of APJ Abdul Kalam. He used to sell the newspaper in his childhood, and then later he become, after he was reading firstly, he told that I was reading whole the newspaper, then I was selling. So he became habituated in the childhood of reading, and after that he became a brighter student. Same with the B.R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda, they are also.
What about our entertainment? In television, you can take also entertainment, but children not habituate reading newspaper. And in newspaper, small written, but due to small written, our eyes is fed and many types of problem creates. And you are talking about due to watching TV, eyes blindness. But what about nature blindness? Those people also starting nature blindness. How can they say?
If someone is naturally blind, that is his nature, that is his fortune, whatever he wanted to get. But after that, if he is building something and something is happening in their life, by the help of their bad conduct, their bad activities, so it is a cause of them. And if I talk about the children are being habituated of television because it's a big cause of distraction. Only entertainment is not important. And in television we are watching that many of the shows are going on which is not good for the students and the family members. It is only good for the adults, and many of the news channels has been commercialized. They are only showing for one side of the truth. And other thing, if I say about the newspaper is also having some kind of chutkulas and kahanis. And earlier comics books was also there coming in the middle of newspaper. So the students were reading that, and that time they knew the value of time. They were being habituated of reading. That reading skill is very important for improving their life, for framing their life in future. Because right now a situation has been created where people are not able to read a book for 1 hour, even 1 hour. But if I go on the ancient time period, in Indian national movement, there wasn't any television, because for television we need electricity. But currently, that time only newspaper was there, and by the help of newspaper they spreaded the patriotism, they spreaded the emotion of that India. That is implemented.
Okay, you are telling that in television only show one side, but in newspaper also only show one side, because newspaper also purchase another politician, and you are telling that in newspaper also magazine is there and chutkula is there. But if you watch and read, then interesting, and our mind fully observe what they saying and what they doing. But in newspaper only you reading, but and what about our environment? Due to newspaper trees cut day by day, and due to trees cut, our environment destroy. What about that?
First of all, that television is very costly. Everyone can't afford the television. The people who are not having the proper food at the daily life, if they want to purchase any television, they will have to spend almost 10 to 15,000, and that's their monthly or yearly income. After that, I would like to say that in newspaper, many of the competitions are going on where the students can take participation in that. Suppose in every Sunday they give a column where you can write a letter and an essay or a shayari and a poem also. So it's a good chance to enhance and improve your quality. It's a good talent hunt program also. But in television, what happened? You are watching a great news, and in the middle of that, many of the advertisement came. Because of that, many people got distracted. After that, they change the channel and they go to the music channel, television channel, entertainment channel, and they kill their time. Wasting of time is happening. What about them?
You are told that those how can the poor family purchase TV, but for your kind information, a newspaper you purchase daily 5 rupees, but only one day purchase you television, then whole life you can take information all over the world. And you are telling that some student also our give opinion in newspaper, then you can also give your opinion in television.
A beggar can buy a newspaper daily because he can get 5 rupees. Yeah. But a beggar can't buy a television because he doesn't have the proper place to live, he doesn't have the proper house, he doesn't have the electricity, he doesn't have the ration card. So firstly he will go behind the food, otherwise he will go behind purchasing the 15,000 of television. I'm not saying that television is bad. Television is doing whatever they can, but television is only for the specific society who can afford this. And in that also there should be some controls, manners. There should be some laws for the students, for the children, for the people who has been young. There should be some channel regulation also, because television is spreaded all over the world, but it is never seen a beggar has kept a television.
Thank you.
That's it.
Very nice, wonderful. You have discussed about the topic, and I'm impressed. Not only I am, this person who are listening, they are also very much impressed. Point was nice. Topic was as clear as crystal, that which is better, town life, television and newspaper. I want conclusion. I have listened both of you. Who has television and using limit, that is good, and who has newspaper reading maximum is good. Thank you so much.
That's it.